Hello and welcome to Motor Match Bolton. Today we've got this mini Countryman Coupe S Sport Steptronic. It comes with your chrome headlights, daytime driving lights, heated windscreen washer jets, and your rain sensor with automatic headlight activation. You've got your John Cooper Works aerodynamic kit, along with your 18-inch alloy wheels with your badge detailing in the centre, and you've got your S badge detailing on the side here. You've got your rear park distance control and your silver roof rails, along with your rear roof spoiler as well. You do have your dual exhaust at the bottom. I'll just open up the boot for you now. As you can see, you do have a generous boot space. You've got your side storage with your illumination point, and you've got your shelf here. And just taking you round to the back of the car, you've got your pockets behind both of your front seats, and in the centre you've got your 2 charging points with your airflow, and you do have your 3 back seats. Taking you into the driver's seat, you've got your John Cooper Works door sill detailing, and this vehicle does come with a leather steering wheel. You do have your start-stop engine with your keyless go, which is just here. I'll start that up for you now. And you've got cruise control with a brake function, as well as 6 speakers throughout the car, manual air conditioning which is dual zone, and you've got heated front seats as well, and you've got the added extra of your comfort pack. You've got your automatic drive-away lock-in, and I'll just show you on your display. You've got your Bluetooth phone connection, your different radio options, and you've got your navigation pack, which is another added extra. And I'll just take you round to the other media options. So you've got your Bluetooth audio streaming and your USB audio as well. You've got your My Mini services, and inside here you can see your different driving profiles. Your Mini Connected services, which has all of your different applications. Your USB port with your 12 voltage port. And you've got your ambient light in there as well. And you can see that on the door strip and inside of the handles. Your automatic transmission, your controls for your display screen with your electronic parking brake. And your armrest does lift up. Inside you've got extra storage space. Got your lighting above your rear view mirror. And in here you've got your SOS function button as well. You have an illuminated glove box, which is perfect for storing important driving documents in. This is an absolutely stunning family vehicle, which comes with some excellent features and optional extras. If you are interested in this mini Countryman Coupe S Sport Steptronic, please get in touch with us, send us an email or give us a phone call, and we'll be happy to assist you further. Thank you very much for watching.